guys, welcome back to my channel, or to my channel if you are new. This video is a part 2 to my GoodFair video. I did a unboxing and reviewing of the company GoodFair, and they're mystery boxes, so I didn't necessarily know what I was gonna get, and I thought it'd be fun to do a separate video, this one, of me trying to figure out outfits and like styling wise for the pieces of clothing I got. If you haven't seen the GoodFair video, I would recommend going to watch that, but you don't technically have to. It'll just give you some background on what I initially thought of the pieces of clothing. I haven't worn all these outfits yet, but I'm hoping I can wear some of them because I was really feeling myself on some of them. Some of the outfits are pretty out there and different, and others are pretty simple, so hopefully you find some inspiration or a little push to maybe try some things out of your comfort zone. So let's get into the video and see what I styled with my GoodFair pieces. First couple outfits is with the blue striped sweater that I got, and I actually ended up loving this sweater after I tried it on. I first paired it with the sweatpants, the blue ones that I got in the box as well, and just some of my white Fila's with them. I have some gold jewelry peeking out, which I love putting with this sweater. I think it's so cute. This look is definitely pretty comfy and casual, but I'm really feeling it. It's just a fun lounging outfit, and I feel like I'm kind of still dressed up enough to go out and feel cute. The next one, also with that sweater, I just changed up the pants, kept everything else the same. I have some pants that have these like pearl looking things down the side, and they're pretty cool. They're really high-waisted though, so they're not very comfy when you sit down, but I thought they went well with this since they had the white on the side that kind of matched in with the sweater and the shoes. This is still a comfy look, but not as comfy. Like I said, those pants are not comfy, but they're cute. The next piece of clothing is the long black jacket that I got. I guess I just felt kind of sexy in this because I realized that almost all the outfits had some type of like sexiness to them. The first one, I paired a bralette with some black boots, black heeled boots, and I have those same like pearl jeans on. I feel like this is like sexy but casual and cool. I don't know. I just love the vibe that this had. Plus I paired this like chain necklace with it, and I was like, okay, that's it. This is the outfit. Now this next one, I didn't even plan out. I found a belt I had and I was like, ooh, I'm adding that. So underneath I have a bralette, and then I have some black shorts, but over top I cinched a belt, like a snakeskin looking belt, and it felt so cute. I also kept that same necklace on and instead added some knee-high boots. I don't know why, but this made me think of something a celebrity would wear. Before the belt, I was getting like Ariana Grande vibes. And then with the belt, I don't know what I'm getting, but I just feel like it's a celebrity look, and I felt cute in it. And the last outfit I put together with that jacket is a red top with some like pleather, fake leather leggings and some black heels, and the same necklace as well that I've been wearing with the rest of the outfits. I don't know, it just kind of went with all of them, I thought. Every time I wear these pants, I think of Grease because one of my Halloween videos on my YouTube channel, I used those pants. I'm pretty sure it was these pants. But I don't know, this is a bit more dressy, but still kind of sexy and cool. I liked it. On to my favorite jacket, the one that I'm wearing right now. The first outfit I have pretty much already worn, something very similar. I put a purple top because, I don't know, I wanted to bring out the purple in the jacket with some, are they called acid wash? I forget. But those shorts there, they're kind of acid wash, if that's what you call it. And then my Fila's again for my shoes. I have a little chain necklace that I thought looked good with it. I really love this outfit. I think it's also just how much I love the jacket. It's definitely my favorite thing that I ended up getting in the GoodFair box. The other outfit I made with it is a little weird. I feel like some people would just be like, what the hell is she wearing? I'm actually wearing part of it right now because it was the last outfit I filmed. It is a green corset with the jacket, some of my high-waisted light denim jeans, that chain necklace, a green hat, and then my shoes. I really wish I had green shoes. I think that would really tie it together more, like sneakers, but instead I just put on some nude heels because it's like they're there but they're not there. This is probably one of the most out there looks, but something about it just was fun. And I mean, that's partly what fashion is just for you to feel good and have fun. So I don't know. I thought this outfit was kind of cool. What do you think? Now on to a very simple look. This is the pink jacket that I got. I paired it with a simple pink tank top, my like mom jeans, and then my white Fila's. I have also a white bracelet on. This outfit is just very casual. I had kind of a difficult time with the rest of the items, but I still managed to find an outfit. It just took a little bit more time. I don't really own that much stuff to go with pink, I feel like. I don't know. I still thought it was cute, even though it was really simple. It still worked. The other outfit I did with this is a little more out of my comfort zone, a little different, but I paired a little skirt I had. It's plaid. I don't know if you can really tell that well in the video, but it is plaid. It's kind of blue, like a pale blue color, a white top, and then I have some white and black boots on. The jacket really reminds me of like a rain jacket, just the style of it. So the boots I felt like just went with the jacket. I don't know if they necessarily go with the outfit, but I like it. I think it's different and it's cute, and I made it work to the best of my ability. I just didn't have very many things that I felt really made an outfit with this jacket, but I'm gonna keep trying. The air just turned on and I don't feel like turning it off, so you hear that? That's the air. Anyways, the next one is the white and pink jacket. It said like Pure Alaska on it or something like that, and I just paired a simple outfit with this, a cropped purple tank, my mom style jeans, and then my white Fila's again. And something about it being off of the shoulder I think makes it look better. I don't know why, I just think it does. And I really wish I had some pink accessories, like that light pink color, to bring into this outfit, because I feel like a pink hat or like a belt or like a purse would be really cute if they were the same shade of pink, but I just don't have that stuff. I'll keep working at it. I still think though that I can, you know, throw it on with some outfits and it will look fine. I just wish I could really like complete it. And the last outfit I have for this video is with the gray sweatpants and the blue and yellow and dark blue jacket. This outfit was a little weird because I ended up tying up the jacket. I felt like when it wasn't tied up, I was just losing so much of my shape. So I ended up tying it up, putting it with a yellow basic tank, again putting those gray sweatpants that I'm really probably not gonna wear out. They have a couple stains on them and stuff, but I don't know, if I'm just chilling and have to go out and run errands or something, whatever. And then I put on my white Fila's with them. At first, when the jacket was down, I was like, oh, this outfit, and then when I tied it up, I liked it a lot better. It's just really comfy and cozy, and I made the sweatpants work, so I mean, I'm pretty proud of myself. Especially trying to incorporate the jacket in too. I was a little frustrated because I was having a hard time styling that jacket with clothes I already had. It would be so cool if I had some sneakers that were either like yellow or that matching light blue color, but I don't. I can envision them though. Like I know what I want to see with that jacket. So maybe I'll stay on the lookout for some sneakers that match them, because I think that would look super cool. And that is everything I put together so far. I'm still gonna be working to try to incorporate them into outfits, maybe get some accessories that match, I don't know. But that is what I came up with so far. So let me know which outfit is your favorite. I know there's some that are pretty out there, some more toned down, so I'd love to know what you guys think. Either way, I had fun putting these together. I'm excited to push myself out of my comfort zone to maybe wear some of these out and have fun with them. If you did enjoy this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. My social media accounts will be at the beginning of this video or in the description box below. I hope you guys all have an amazing day or night, whatever it is where you are right now, and I will see you in the next video. Bye guys.